To improve reliability and avoid shorting, different types of processes to mass solder and prevent trapped chemicals from wicking up in vias are made available in the padstack editor. IPC-4761 via types enhancement properties can now be defined per layout via. Each via types are assigned to specific surfaces, and selections of via type processes are made available and assigned to each via. Even though layout is not impacted, once ODB++ is ready for execution, via types are automatically extracted. Design status provides additional information under the IPC-4761 via type heading, stating the via types, surfaces, and count. And quick note, Valor MPI is fully integrated and streamlines the design to manufacturing workflow, allowing enhanced capability for accurate analyzing of signal integrity and manufacturing.